Even the mascots are dressed up like Santa now. And they have this giant white Christmas tree. It's Thursday afternoon, 1 o'clock, and we are at the Siam BTS Station. And I noticed a couple of markets here. And because of the Christmas time, you have all these themed markets. So this is the Candy Village at the Siam Square One. So let's see if they have any candy. Well, I only see clothing. Do you see any candy? Okay, so if you are looking for a phone case or shoes or clothing, you can come to the Candy Village. Do we need a Santa Claus hat? Oh, we still have or not? Ah, we still have. Yeah, so all the malls are in a festive atmosphere. Yeah, I noticed that this mall, the Siam Square One, is used quite a lot for like fairs and markets, and it's actually a perfect place here to organize these kind of things. Yeah, I like this mall because it has the open space here. You know, this is open from here until the front. So you get the natural wind blowing through here. There's a kind of natural air conditioning. At Siam Square One, even the mascots are dressed up like Santa now. And they have this giant white Christmas tree. So the holiday spirit is all around. So I'm going now towards Paragon. Sawadee-khap. And at Paragon they have the Winterland. I just noticed it when I was at the BTS. So let's go and have a check there as well. So this was the Siam Square One. I'm just making a very small video to give an update about the atmosphere for Christmas now here in Bangkok. And I noticed that last time when I made the big video about all the Christmas trees, Paragon was not really prepared. So it looked like they didn't have that much, but now they built a snow village. So it's probably 35 degrees. Let's go to the snow village. "5G, the future is yours." I have 5G on my phone, but it doesn't really connect all the time. So, but it's good that they give it a try, right? So here you have the boxes tree.
Please inform our staff prior to entering Siam. Thank you.
And here you have a very nice walk through. But we're not gonna walk through that. We are going to the Nescafe Village. Mirella is following me in my slipstream. Yeah, so this was not here the other day. And yeah, I mean, it looks really nice in the evening, but during the day with all the sun, it also is actually quite stunning. Yeah, so Central and Paragon, they are really doing everything in the candy style. I think this makes for a very nice pictures and video. So I think the actual village is open in the evening. Yeah, it's just too hot now to go to the snow village. Okay. Yeah, so a very short video here on the shopping malls. I just wanted to give an idea about the atmosphere that they created. And of course we have to give a shout out to Nescafe, the sponsor. Well, not my sponsor, but this tree is made out of little bags of coffee. Muito interessado. Okay, so I am going to end this update here at the Siam Paragon Square. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, the sun is shining full on. It's a nice and warm day. And yeah, what I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.